Hello my friend, happy to see you here and welcome back to Math Mode. Really interesting exponential equation today. We have 25 to the x minus 20 to the x equal to 16 to the x. How can you solve this interesting question? On the first side, this equation is real hard because we have all different bases right here. But we can easily start to simplify this step by step. First of all, let's divide both sides by 16 to the x. So we have 25 to the x over 16 to the x minus 20 to the x over 16 to the x equal to 16 to the x over 16 to the x. So this is the first step. I hope you understand this step. Right now, canceling right here numerator and denominator because this is the same, so we have 1 on the right hand side. What are we going to do next? 25 and 16, this is different bases, but we have the same power, same exponent. So, if you know a little bit about power rule right here, we can write it as 25 over 16 to the power x. Yeah, we can write it. The same thing let's do with this one. So we have 20 over 16 all raised to the power x. So we have this situation equal to 1. And a lot of students ask me why I do this thing right here, because right now we have completely different bases and right now we have like a fraction right here and right here. So very simplifying moment. And for those who don't know, I answer the next. So right here we can write this 25 as 5 square and this 16 as 4 square to the power x minus, right here let's divide numerator and denominator by 4. So we have 5 over 4 to the power x. And right now a lot of students see something common between this and this one, and it's really good. But it's not like a final simplifying trick right here, because we need to write this 5 square over 4 square as 5 over 4 all squared and all raised to the x minus 5 over 4 to the power x equal to 1. And I hope you see right now that we have something look like a substitution, something look like a quadratic equation, because we have like square our x right here. But what we're going to do right now, we need to know a rule of interchange. So if we have a to the power x raised to the power b, we can write it as a to the power b raised to the power x. And I want to mention that right here this is our situation, because we can easily swap these 2 and our x. We will have 5 over 4 to the power x squared minus 5 over 4 to the power x equal to 1. Yeah, so we have this situation right now. And what we're going to do next, of course this is a great moment to write a substitution because we have same element. So let this 5 over 4 to the power x will be equal to t, and of course t need to be positive because we're talking about an exponential function. This is an increasing exponential function. So what quadratic equation we'll have? T squared minus t and minus 1 equal to 0. But what about solution to this problem? Let's find it real quick. So we have first one with the plus sign, so we have t first equal to 1 plus, so we have 1 plus 4 square root of 5 over 2, this is the first t, and the second t, 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So we find our two solutions real quick. This is a quadratic equation, so nothing hard. So I just wanted to write only a solution, because we can solve it with ABC, so real quick solution right now. But before solving this quadratic equation, we wrote that t is greater than 0. But right here, 1 minus square root of 5 is negative. And if we divide it by positive 2, we'll have negative expression right here. So t second is negative 1. And we reject this negative root. So let's work only with positive. So we have this t, and we had a substitution, 5 fourths over x to the power x equal to t. So 5 fourths to the x equal to t, 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. All constant, only our x right here, so this is a really good way to take log on both sides. So we can write it, for example, base log 5 over 4 on the left, so log 5 over 4 with this base, and right here log 5 over 4. This is our base. From here x jump right here, and we cancel this because this is equal to 1. So only our solution x equal to log base of 5 fourths, this is our base, and our expression 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This is our solution. Of course we can write it in another way, because this is not like a traditional way. How can we write it? We prefer to write this in our denominator, so we can write it as x equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 and all over log 5 fourths. This is a solution that we prefer, I guess, so a lot of students prefer this solution, not this. They don't like this base 5 or 4, they like base of 10, for example, or does not matter with that base. So this is our answer. If you still have any question, write a question in comment. I try to help everyone, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If it's not hard to you, please leave a like and write any comment. I really appreciate it, and it helps me a lot. It improves my videos a lot. Thank you and have a great day.